Standard 7, Subject Sanskrit, Chapter 2. Hello students, today we will learn about Chapter 2, Megho Varshati. This poem is based on rain, how the rain is important to agriculture. All plants need at least some water to survive. Therefore, the rain is important to agriculture. The agriculture lands are dried in the summer season. When it is coming the rainy season, the agriculture lands are hungry for wanting the water. This poem describes the importance of the rainy season. First of all, listen this song with subtitle so you can sing well.
प्रवहति नीरं मेघो वर्षति प्रवहति नीरं तृष्यति कृषिकः गच्छति गोष्ठं तृष्यति कृषिकः गच्छति गोष्ठम् नयति च वृषभम् अलमपि वहति नयति च वृषभम् अलमपि वहति कर्षति क्षेत्रं वपति च बीजं कर्षति क्षेत्रं वपति च बीजम् सस्यं फलति प्रकामं रोहति सस्यं फलति प्रकामं भवति समृद्धि मनुकुलवृद्धि भवति समृद्धि मनुकुलवृद्धि
Students, our second chapter is Megho Varshati. Megho Varshati. It means it is raining. This is a small song. This song is on nature, are very useful for making the children nature loving. And the song in this chapter is very simple and very easy. It describes the importance of the rainy season for agriculture and how important for the farmer also. Okay. Now we will start with our poem part 1. Megho Varshati. Megho Varshati. It means it is raining. This poem is in form of present tense. Megho Varshati, it means it is raining. Pravahati Niram. Pravahati Niram. Pravahati means is flowing. Niram means water. Water is flowing. Tushyati Krishikaha. Tushyati, it means is getting satisfied. Krishikaha, Krishikaha means farmer. The farmer is getting satisfied. Gachati Gostam. Gachati, it means is going. Is going. It means the farmer is going. Gostam. Gostam, it means cattle yard. The farmer is going to the cattle yard. Megho varshati pravahati niram tushyati krishikaha gachati gostam. It means it is raining, water is flowing, the farmer is getting satisfied, he is going to cattle yard. It means the song describes the importance of rainy season, especially for farmers. It is raining and the water is flowing. The farmer is getting satisfied and he is going to the cattle yard. Megho varshati pravahati niram tushyati krishikaha gachati gostam. It means when it is raining, the rainwater is flowing. The farmer is satisfied with the rain and he is going to the cattle yard. Now our next paragraph. Nayati cha vrushabham. Nayati cha vrushabham. Nayati means is taking, cha and vrushabham. Vrushabham means his bullocks. To the bullocks or his bullocks. Halamapi vahati. Halamapi vahati. That means also the plug. Vahati means is carrying. He also carrying his plug. Karshati kshetram. Karshati, it means he is plugging. Plugging. Kshetram. Kshetram means farm. He is plugging his farm. Vapati cha bijam. Vapati cha bijam. Vapati, it means is sowing. Cha, it means and. Bijam. Bijam means seeds. Seeds are sowing. And the farmer is taking the bullocks to the farm. He is also carrying plug. He is plugging the farm and sowing the seeds. Next paragraph. Rohati sasyam falati prakamam bhavati samruddhi manukula vriddhi. Rohati sasyam falati prakamam bhavati samruddhiha manukula vriddhiha. Rohati sasyam. Rohati, it means is growing. Sasyam. Sasyam means corn. Falati prakamam. Falati, it means is producing. Is producing. Prakamam. Prakamam, it means a lot of or a great deal of. Bhavati samruddhi. Bhavati, it means is happening. Samruddhi. Samruddhi, it means prosperity. Manukula vriddhiha. Manukula vriddhiha, it means increasing the man. Okay. Rohati sasyam falati prakamam bhavati samruddhi manukula vriddhi. It means corn is growing. It is producing a great deal. Wealth and man are increasing. When the corn is growing, selling with the high amount, wealth also increased and man also increased. Wealth also increasing and man also increasing. Now again, listen it carefully. When the rain is coming, it is raining, water is flowing, farmer is satisfied and going to the cattle yard. The farmer is satisfied with the rain and going to the cattle yard. And the farmer is taking the bullocks to the farm. He is also carrying plug and is plugging the farm and sowing the seeds. Then corn is growing. It is producing a great deal. Wealth and men are increasing. When the corn is growing, it's selling with a huge amount. So wealth also increasing and man also increasing. Now, exercise of this poem. The first question is, for each of the given questions, choose the option that is its correct answer and write the letter corresponding to the answer in the box provided. MCQ. The first question is, Krishikah bijam kutra vapati. Krishikah bijam kutra vapati. It means, where does the farmer sow seeds? Where does the farmer sow seeds? The correct answer is option A. Krishikah kshetre bijam vapati. Krishikah kshetre bijam vapati. It means the farmer sows seeds in the farm. Second question. Krishikah halam kutra nayati. Krishikah halam kutra nayati. It means, where does the farmer take his plug? Where does the farmer take his plug? The answer is option A. Kshetram nayati. Kshetram nayati. It means to the farm. Third question is, Krishikah bijam kada vapati. Krishikah bijam kada vapati. It means, when does the farmer sow seeds? When does the farmer sow seeds? The answer is option C. Yada sah kshetram karshati tada. Yada sah kshetram karshati tada. It means, when he plugging his farm, then he sow seeds. Question number 4. Sasyam kada prakamam falati. Sasyam kada prakamam falati. It means, when does a lot of corn produce? When does a lot of corn produce? The correct answer is option B. Yada sasyam rohati tada. Yada sasyam rohati tada. It means, the corn is growing, a lot of producing. Question number 5. Kah kshetre bijam vapati. Kah kshetre bijam vapati. It means, who is sow seeds in the farm? Who is sow seeds? The answer is option D. Krishikah. Krishikah, it means farmer. Farmer sow seeds in the farm. Question number 6. Which season has been described in the poem Megho Varshati? Which season has been described in the poem Megho Varshati? The answer is option D, monsoon. It is about monsoon season. Number 7. Who is getting satisfied with the rain? Who is getting satisfied with the rain? The correct answer is D, farmer. Farmer is getting satisfied with rain. Question number 8. What happens when the corn is growing and producing a great deal? What happens when corn is growing and producing a great deal? The correct answer is option D, increasing of human. Increasing of human. Number 9. What is the synonym of the word sasyam? What is the synonym of the word sasyam? The correct answer is option B, corn. And the last question is, what is the meaning of the word prakamam? What is the meaning of the word prakamam? Prakamam, it means plenty. Option B. The right answer is option B, plenty. Okay. Now the question number 2. Pronounce the following words correctly and write their English names, English meaning. Pronounce the following words correctly and write their English meanings. First is pravahati. Pravahati, it means is flowing. Is flowing. Second is goshtham. Goshtham, it means cattle yard. Then the third number is karshati. Karshati, it means is plugging. Fourth one is prakamam. Prakamam, it means a lot of or a great deal of. Number 5, samriddhi. Samriddhi, it means prosperity. And the number 6 is manukul vriddhi. Manukul vriddhi, it means increasing of man. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the proper words given in the brackets. Number 1. Megho dash pravahati niram. The answer is varshati. Megho varshati pravahati niram. Second one. Dash krishikah gacchati goshtham. Tushyati. Tushyati krishikah gacchati goshtham. Third is nayati cha vrishabham dash vahati. The answer is halamapi. Nayati cha vrishabham halamapi vahati. Number 4 is karshati kshetram dash chabijam. Karshati kshetram dash chabijam. The answer is vapati. Karshati kshetram vapati chabijam. Number 5 is rohati sasyam dash prakamam. The correct answer is falati. Rohati sasyam falati prakamam. And the last one is bhavati dash manukula vriddhi. Bhavati dash manukula vriddhi. The answer is samruddhi. Bhavati samruddhi मनुकुल वृत्तिः. Now the fourth question. Find the verbs form of the poem and write in the given blanks. Follow the example. There are given one example. Varshati, pravahati. So let's write here. Tushyati, gacchati, nayati, vahati, karshati, vapati, rohati, falati, bhavati. Question number 5. Find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. Find out the true meaning of the Sanskrit words. Okay. First word is Meghaha. Meghaha. It means cloud or water. Cloud. Meghaha means cloud. Second one is Krishikaha. Krishikaha. It means farmer or karshan. Farmer or karshan. The true meaning is farmer. Krishikaha means farmer. Kshetram. Kshetram. Place or farm. What is the true meaning of kshetram? Farm. Farm is the right answer. Prakamam. Prakamam. It means type or a lot of. So the right answer is a lot of. Prakamam means a lot of. Sasyam. Sasyam means corn or grass. Corn. Sasyam means corn. Ghostam. Ghostam. It means joking or cattle yard. The true meaning is cattle yard. Ghostam means cattle yard. Now the question number 6. Find out the true synonyms of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. You have to find true Sanskrit word. Synonyms of the Sanskrit words. First one is Meghaha. Meghaha, it means Jaladaha. Jaladaha. Niram. Niram, it means Jalam. Niram, Jalam, it means water. Krishikaha. Krishikaha, it means Kshetrakaha. Kshetrakaha. Krishikaha, Kshetrakaha, it means farmer. Sasyam. Sasyam, it means Dhanyam. Dhanyam. Sasyam and Dhanyam, it means corn. Okay students, this was our second chapter revision part. Now we will meet in our next lecture with next chapter. Till then, take care, stay at home. Thank you.